What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Honda Civic today, and we're going to replace the cabin filter. Okay, so the cabin filter is going to be located behind your glove box. And to get behind your glove box, you're going to need to lower it. And to do that, we're going to push these stoppers inwards on the box here. So just grab it and pull it in. You might have to go back and forth a little bit to get it to come down. But you'll get it to come down. All right, these are what the stoppers look like. Okay, so we're just pushing it like this. It has a slit in it so that you can do that. So right up in here is where the filter is, okay? It lives in this box here, and we gotta take the door off. Take the door off, there's these clips. We're just gonna push them inward, and then we're gonna pull the door. It's the same thing on both sides. So we're just gonna push in and kind of pull towards us. Okay. And yeah, the door, if you use two hands, it won't come off all violent like that. I just got, camera in my hands. And there's the filter right there. We're just gonna pull it out. It's kind of up in a little funky little angle, so I'm gonna pull it right out of here. And this guy is super nasty. So if you notice on the door, it says airflow down. So on our new filter, if we look right here, it says airflow down. All right, that's how we're gonna install it. All right. So there is a right and wrong way to install this, and it's actually gonna go this way like that, where it covers more area. Okay. If you need one of these filters, check down the description box. There's a link. Take you to Amazon if you need to get one. Yeah, I have the part number and everything, so check that out if you need one. Just get the door and snap it right back on. You just put it right back on the front of the box. If you can get your hand in here, snap it on there, okay? Push it on there. It's all good. Then all you have to do is get all your stuff out of the way. Get the glove box door. Close it, and you're good to go. Well, hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you would drop me a comment, hook me up with a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.